with the increase in prices, increase in cost of living, and the expenditures we incur these days are crazy. You definitely need a side hustle or a small business to keep you going, or you definitely need that extra income. Here are 7 small business ideas you could start in 2024, and I promise you, if you start any of these business ideas today, you're definitely not going to regret this. The third and 7th are my all-time favorite. Let's get into this video. Coming up in the first place, we have thrifting. This could be done online or on site. These days, people give out a lot of things they probably have used or do not find them useful again at moderate and affordable prices. So you could just get them and probably resell at prices that are going to help you make profit. You could thrift furniture, clothes, shoes, household appliances, kitchen equipment, and a lot more. People tend to go for thrifted clothes or thrifted goods because they are affordable, and you tend to have a quick turnover because you sell at moderate prices rather than the initial price they probably be getting a new one. And there you go, this business is very lucrative and it's not going to stress you. All you need to do is get a location where you can get these items at very good or moderate prices and probably act as a middleman or resell them. You could create an online shop, online store, or an on-site business where they come and get it, and there you go. The second business idea or small business you can start in 2024 is selling tote bags and t-shirts. This one, I personally also love it because you have to personalize the t-shirts. People love inspiring messages, people love things that are going to make them carry out their tasks they've probably assigned for the day. So just printing something as small as you can do this will inspire someone to get this t-shirt. And also with a tote bag, people tend to carry a lot of equipment, and tote bags are very durable and can easily be washed, easily handled, and these days people tend to use them a lot, especially women, makeover artists, people going to work, students. All you need to do is probably just get these bags or t-shirts, or probably make them yourself, or go to a market where they can sell plain tote bags and t-shirts. You get home and probably print your messages on. You could probably print Bible messages, inspiring quotes like Black Girl Matters. You can do this. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me, and a lot more. And you definitely get your products selling or you definitely get your products selling. Trust me, this is a very lucrative and good business idea that many people do not really see there is money in it, but trust me, there is money in it. As a side hustle or a student, you could probably just show your t-shirts, show your bags to your hostel mates, your classmates, your course mates, and you see them coming for more. You could also create an online store where these goods could be marketed, or probably an on-site store, or probably even serve as a middleman between the producer of these bags and the customer, and you have a commission for being a middleman. I'm giving you business ideas of 2024. Trust me, if you try this, you're going to realize that you're going to be earning extra cash, which is going to help you achieve your goals. Yeah, you understand what I'm saying. Now, one of my personal favorites, the third business idea, is selling homemade products. The list is so long. When I mean homemade products, I mean products like probably yogurt, products like your own spices, your own recipes. I love this because it does not restrict you to doing just a particular stuff or particular good. Anything you're able to create probably with your hands, or probably anything you have knowledge about, you could use this opportunity to create and store it and package and sell it and have extra money. These days people create homemade spices like ginger, pepper soup, jollof spices, and they package and brand it, and they get a lot of money from this. This is why I love this, because personally I could just wake up and create my secret puff recipe, okay, liquid crystal puff recipe, and I make some videos and show people how to use it, and they keep coming for it because it's something that is unique. And the good thing about this, only you have it, and it's your brand, it's your secret. No one can make it as well as you do. This could be, if you don't want something stressful, and you don't always have to be in the business. Probably you have your production days, you produce, package, and sell online, sell on site. All depends on you. And you could also sell products like you could also even teach people how to produce these homemade products like detergents, or even produce your own detergents, soaps, oils, and a lot more. The list is so long. Trust me, this is a very good business idea and side hustle. You can start today, you can start tomorrow. And another good thing about it, you do not need to start very big. Girl, I always advise people and tell people that start small and scale up as your business progresses or as you see profit. So you must not necessarily need fancy packaging. All you need to do is just be very good probably with your branding. Go online on Canva, download a template, print. I think it's not costly to print stickers, paste it on your product, and there you go. Start small and scale up as time goes. Just try this and you're going to thank me later. The fourth business idea we have is selling healthy drinks, healthy fruit drinks or soft drinks. I know this is similar to the third business idea, but it's completely different because this time around you're looking for fruits which are in season. You get them and probably process. You might not necessarily do not need fancy equipment as a food processor. A small you get what I'm trying to say. All you need to probably do is sort for fruits that are in season, probably compress, press, pound, and use probably even a cheese coat, but it must be done in hygienic conditions. Okay, this is something that is getting into people's stomach and you do not necessarily want them to come complaining. So you just need to get your fruits which are in season, because fruits in seasons are always cheap. Probably this is a season for oranges. You get oranges, come compress, and you bottle, and here you go. This is a very good business because you are providing value. Probably in a season where you're in a dry season or it's summer where you are, all you need to do is get in season fruits, probably freeze or chill these drinks and sell them to people, because people are constantly thirsty when times are hot. Or probably you are in a season where there is cold. This is probably a sub business idea under this. You could sell probably hot tea. This probably will be done on site. Excuse me. You can sell hot tea, coffee, or a lot of things that people probably need to keep themselves warm. I know you're definitely going to have people coming for you because you are providing value. I always say that in everything you do as a business or content creation, make sure you are providing value, and definitely people are going to come for you. No one cares about your life, no one cares about your family. People care about what you're able to offer to them and provide value, and you're definitely going to earn money while you're doing that. Our fifth business idea is event planning. I know you didn't see that coming, but let me tell you how you're going to go through this step by step. These days, people need people to do stuff for themselves. No one wants to stress, and people have a lot of events, be it birthdays, come togethers, homecomings, and a lot more. You could be an event planner. Now, I'm sure you'll be asking, where am I going to get these skills? I've never planned for an event before. All you need to do is go on Google, download that event planning template for be it a marriage, be it a birthday, be it homecoming, and you can name the rest. So with the template, you're going to be able to see what you need and probably show your customer that this is what you're going to be needing. So your job as an event planner is to align factors of production aside capital, because I think a capital is going to come from the person organizing the event. So you're going to align factors of production such as labor. You're going to be probably getting a decor, a cake art, a makeup artist, a baker, and a lot more, and putting them together to be able to produce what your client wants. This is very lucrative because you need little or no capital. There is no upfront cost for an events planner. All you need is just data. You go online, download the template, create a flyer, make your brand, and put it out there. Show your family members, or even if I personally started planning events as small as, I think I was in university, my first year in university. I was able to plan an event for a friend's birthday and a friend's birthday party, and I was just like, just give me the money. I don't want you to stress. I want you to be able to excuse me, I want to be able to line out everything you're going to be needing. You don't have to stress. You're the birthday girl, and that's why I was able to get my own commission. I got a birthday cake. I wasn't baking then. I got a birthday cake from the baker. I got a decor from someone who was doing decor, and of course it was a perfect occasion, and of course I went home with some extra cash. So this is a very great business idea and side hustle you could try in 2024. Now, a side business idea is personal cleaning or a delivery person or being a service agent. I think service agent is the word. Like I said in the fifth business idea, these days people do not want to stress and people want things done from them at the comfort of their home. You could act as a service agent, probably shop for groceries, shop for vegetables, fruits in your main market, in your local market, and you get extra cash or paid for doing that. If you have time, if you have extra time or if you have off days, this is a very great business idea or side hustle for you, because even as a delivery person, sorry you guys, excuse me, I have a cough. Even as a delivery person, you could even walk. Personally, I know most of my deliveries, I used to take delivery fee and walk or stroll if I have enough time on my side, and probably take cheaper taxis to my location rather than ordering a VIP cab which is going to take me there straight, and I get the extra cash. Also, cleaning people's houses, you could be a trash carrying agent. All you need to do is just probably get to a city or to a household or to a hostel and let them know, okay, I'm going to be able to get your trash baggage and carry it to the trash. I'm going to and carry it to wherever it's going to be deposited every Sunday or probably every Saturday. These are your free days and you get paid. And these are just small ways that people do not think. I used to see little children come around my area. I'm like, auntie, please, do you have trash that can help you carry? And you see, and the children, by the time they are going home, they go home with a lot of money. I'm like, these children are really knowledgeable. That's where I really got this idea and I decided to really share. Just being a delivery agent or a service agent can earn you a lot of cash in 2024. If you're still watching this video up to now, please give this video a thumbs up and we move on to my all-time favorite business idea or side hustle you can start in and make cash in 2024. This is perfume oils. I know you didn't see this coming, right? It will shock you to know that people love to smell good no matter how poor, no matter the economic situation in their house, in their country. People love smelling good, affordable prices. And most of the times you really smell good and people are like, what perfume are you wearing? Probably just a cheap perfume. Then you're going to be calling, I'm wearing Latifa, I'm wearing this, but people just love smelling good. You know, it says smelling good is good business, and perfume oils are very good perfumes, or they smell good at affordable prices. You could get them at wholesale prices. I think in my area they sell a dozen at 2,500 francs CFA and probably even retailed at 1,000 francs each. That is, you are getting 12,000 francs after buying something at 2,500 francs. Girl, ha! This is a very lucrative, I'm just using lucrative, this is a very, I cannot even call it, this is a business idea. You could just have them in your bags. The good thing about it, it's not even heavy to carry along. You could just carry them in your bags, you could just carry them anywhere you go. I'm like, okay, I sell perfume oils, and it will shock you to know as well that you could make your own perfume oils. These days, you could learn how to make your own perfume oils, and trust me, personally, my mom makes perfume oils, and since then I've not been buying perfume and I smell as good as like I smell as good as the lily of the valley. So this is a very good lucrative business, and trust me, you're not even going to feel it. You're going to be earning extra cash, you're going to be making money. And yeah, with that, we've come to the end of this video. I hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe, and I did not even do an intro. My name is Liquid Crystal and I'm here to help you and of course help myself level up, live the life one for ourselves, and glow and grow. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video. Bye.